Hello my dear students, how are you? I hope you all are fine at your home. So today we are going to learn what are these? What are these? पहले हमने क्या पढ़ा था? What is this? What is this? Because only one thing is here. Okay, and here how many things are here? Many things are here. Okay, that's why we use these, THESE, these. Okay, और यहाँ पे आगे क्या आ जाएगा? R, ARE. What are this? What are this? Okay, अगर एक चीज़ होती है तब उसका हम क्वेश्चन किससे पूछते हैं THIS से पूछते हैं. ओके, और अगर ज़्यादा थिंग्स होती हैं तो THESE से पूछते हैं. आई होप यू हैव सीन ऑलरेडी आवर फ्लोर एक्टिविटी वीडियो. ओके, एंड इफ नॉट सो प्लीज go on our YouTube channel and search it and please watch it, that video. Then after you will understand. I hope you will understand. Now let's we start to this topic, and this topic is in your literacy skill textbook. It means English textbook, and this one is for senior KG. So everyone take out your English textbook, 8 to 82, page number 8 to 82. Open the page number 8 to 82 and let's we start to learn it. Look at the pictures and answer the questions. First, recognize picture. How many pictures are here? Okay, count it. How many things are here? First count it and then write answer. How to write answer? Today I learn you. What are these? How many eggs are here? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 eggs are here. How many eggs are here? 6 eggs are here. Okay, so here write this, THESE, this, ARER, eggs, EGGS, eggs. Okay, और यहाँ पे आर्टिकल नहीं लिखा, ए आर्टिकल भी नहीं लिखा, एन आर्टिकल भी नहीं लिखा. क्यों नहीं लिखा आपको पता है? यहाँ पे तो एन आर्टिकल आएगा, राइट? बिकॉज इट इज स्टार्ट फ्रॉम दी वॉवेल साउंड. बट वाई डोंट राइट हियर एन आर्टिकल? बिकॉज हियर नॉट वन थिंग इज हियर, मैनी थिंग्स आर हियर. दैट्स वाई here don't write any article. Okay, let's we start. Next one, what are these? How many balloons are here? 3 balloons are here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so these are balloons. और पीछे क्या लिखना है हमें? S लिखना है. क्या लिखना है? S लिखना है. Okay, so write here everyone this, THESE, this, ARER, balloons, BALLOONS, and S, full stop. These are balloons. Now what are these? These are tops. How many tops are here? 3 tops are here. 1, 2, 3. That's why we write here these are tops. Okay, write here everyone these, THESE, this, SE, this, RARER, TOPS, tops, full stop. Next one is, what are these? Books. How many books are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So write here everyone, these are books, THESE, this, ARER, books, 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 Last one is, what are these? Pots. Pots. Pots, pots. But how many pots are here? 1, 2, 3. 3 pots are here. So write here everyone, these, T-H-E-S-E, these are, A-R-E-R, pots, P-O-T-S, pots, full stop. Okay. Now next page is 8383. Okay. What are those? What are those? यहाँ पे these था, यहाँ पे क्या था? these था, क्योंकि ये जो हमें पिक्चर्स दिए थे, ये जो थिंग्स दी थी, वो थिंग्स कहाँ पे थी? नज़दीक में थी, हमारे पास में थी. दैट्स वाई वी राइट हियर THESE, these. ओके. और यहाँ पे ये जो पिक्चर है वो फार है, दूर दिए गए हैं, और ज़्यादा है, मैनी है, दूर है और मैनी है. तो क्या यूज़ करेंगे हम? दोज यूज़ करेंगे, THOSE, दोज यूज़ करेंगे. राइट. लेट्स वी स्टार्ट टू fill the answers. Look at the pictures and answer the questions. What are those? What are those? Those are buns. Those are buns. How many buns are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 buns are here. So those are buns. Okay. Now next is, those are, what is this? Keys. What is this? Keys. Okay. So those are keys. Those are keys. THOSE, those. ARER, KEYS, keys. Those are keys. Okay. Now look at here everyone. Fill these 3 lines properly at your home. ओके. ऐसे ही लिखना है आपको, सिर्फ इसके नेम चेंज करने हैं. दिस वन इज कार्स, दिस वन इज, व्हाट इज दिस? एग्स, एंड these are balls. ओके. कार्स, एग्स, बॉल्स. सो यहाँ पे आपको दोज आर कार्स, दोज आर एग्स, एंड दोज आर बॉल्स, और फुल स्टॉप रखना है सबके पीछे. Okay, so complete this page at your home properly. Now open the next page, 8787. 8787. Okay, and in this topic, which concept is here? Are these? Are these? यहाँ पे क्या था? Is this? Because here only one thing, and here many things. Okay, that's why how we question it? Are this? Are this? Answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. Are these cups? Are these cups? Yes, these are cups. Yes, these are cups. ओके. यहाँ पे जैसे लिखा था वैसे ही सेम यहाँ पे लिखना है, पर आपको याद रखना है कि यहाँ पे थिंग्स ज़्यादा दी गई है हमें. यहाँ पे थिंग्स कैसी है? ज़्यादा दी गई है. और हम किससे क्वेश्चन कर रहे हैं? आर से क्वेश्चन कर रहे हैं. ARER से क्वेश्चन कर रहे हैं. ओके. और दिस कौन सा स्पेलिंग लिखना है? THESE, दिस लिखना है. नाउ आई राइट हियर one answer and other answers complete at your home. These both are homework. Okay. Look at here everyone. Are these stars? Are these stars? Yes. YES, Y must be capital, then comma. Yes, these, THESE, this, are, ARER, these are stars, 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 full stop. Okay, these both are complete at your home properly. Thank you everyone.